Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Click the link, add it to your cart, and they'll ship this to you really fast. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Now this is coming from my good friends over at Quick and Brite. So this is definitely for all you sneakerheads out there. I used to be one, not too much into sneakers now, but I still wear them now. And I got these shoes are dirty, so I got either get new ones or hopefully this will do some magic trick and clean. Athletic shoes, work boots, leather, dress, shoes, hiking boots, shoe cleaner. Shake it up below. Shake it like a salt shaker. Oh yeah. Get mixed in there. I think it's like pink, purple. Say do not use on raw leather or suede. Check for color fast first and follow manufacturer's specs. Wet scrub brush or cloth completely, then apply on the shoe directly on the surface. Okay. Wow, Click Brite shoe cleaner is non-toxic. Okay, that's good. Keep out the reach of children. Has no harsh chemicals. Do not use on law. Okay, wet scrub brush. So you get, oh, you get a little scrubber. Ooh, fancy dancy. All right, and you get the little cloth, and you get the pump it up, pump it up. That was a good song back in the day. Joe Biden or Joe Burden. Pump it up. So it's got a pop the hole in there. Oh, come on. Oh, it got me. But it's safe chemicals, but do not drink it. So, oh, come on. It's oozing with cheese milk. It's the secret of the ooze. There we go. She's locked in. Wipe that down a little. Okay. So, I guess I'm going to have to transform. Shoe cleaner. Do not use wet scrub brush. Okay, I'm going to do scrub brush. Hold on one sec. Okay, guys, we got these Under Armour's shoes. I just wear these around the house now, so. Okay, we wet the scrub brush, then apply shoe cleaner directly onto the surface. Okay, we shook it good. I can put this right here. It's fine in plastic. See, these are dirty. Okay, let it soak in for a second. Scrub and rub dub. Whoa. Look at that. Already I noticed the difference. Man. Alright, all you sneakerheads. This is probably the best shoe cleaner on the market right now. Look at that. Take this out. Dang. It's like brand new. Holy smokes. Well, it looks like I'm going to be cleaning this shoe today because it needs it. Look at that. See how dirty it is? Say goodbye to the bad guy. Oh, I pushed you guys off the edge. Look at that. That is nuts. Holy smokes. See, right here is dirty. Here's the after. Here's the before. Now watch this. Spray and scrub. So you gotta do spray and scrub. So in between classes, your shoe gets dirty. Run to the restroom and bam. Have this in your backpack. Now look at this. Just wipes right off. That's crazy. These shoes been about a year now, so almost time to get new ones anyway. But if I can make them last another month, they'll be alright. Because nothing's really opening up by us in Michigan. So these will be good for around the house activities and just basic lounging shoes right now. But yeah, I still got to clean a few more spots up around here. But look at that though. It's like brand new. It's shiny. Really impressed. Awesome stuff, guys. Check them out. I have the links down below. Make sure you grab a couple bottles because these will be selling out fast. Especially in this market now with the shoes. So definitely protect your shoes. Make sure they're clean. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night. See ya.